Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to write the word love, so let's get started. To write the word love and to make it look like beautiful calligraphy using just a regular pen, let's first start by just writing the word love in cursive. So I'm just going to start right here and just go ahead and write a lowercase l. And of course I'm kind of making it a little bit fancy. So just go ahead and go up with my O, bring it down, and I'm gonna loop it, loop it over here, go up, and then now the V. So I'm bringing this down a little bit and going right back up. And then the E is gonna be a little bit separate, so say about right here, and come out. There. So nice and simple. Simply write the word love in cursive, however you like it. So the trick to make it look like calligraphy by just using pencil or any kind of pens you have is you want to thicken only one side. So let's say we've decided we're going to thicken the left side of every letter. We're going to start by, let's get this L right here, and I'm going to thicken this edge. So let me show you this. I'm just going to fill this in so you can see a little bit better. And so then with the O, I'm going to also thicken this side. Everything's going to be on the left side, so about right here. I'm going to thicken this, and then you can go back in there and clean everything up after you're done with this. But you just want to get a general idea of which side is going to be thicker and thinner. So the key to making it look like calligraphy is that there's always going to be a thicker and thinner side, right? Okay, so then on this side would be on this side right here on the V. So I'm just going to thicken this up and shade it in. And then with the E, the same thing. So it'll be on this edge right here. So this is just the easiest way to create calligraphy without having those special pens. So just like that, right? Pretty simple. And so then you can go in there, and I'm just going to come in here and fix everything up a little bit. So they're pretty much done with fixing things up, and then now to fancy it up, let's come right here, because this is the word love. I'm going to put an arrow through it. So right here on this tail end, I'm just going to bring this down a little bit, just flick it out, and then right here let's draw the end of the arrow. So about right there, the feathers and the top part. Okay, and then on this side, we're going to add the arrow point. So about right here, just like curve. It's all up to you how you want to decorate it. But on this side, let's just add a little arrow. And maybe add a little circle right here just to decorate it. It's all up to you. Give it some pizzazz. Okay, so then from there, it's pretty much done. If you want to add more bling to it, I'm going to bring in a little marker right here, the red one, and I'm just going to add some little hearts right here in red. Maybe another smaller one right here, just to add some color. So before I go, I wanted to write another word for you that will hopefully help you more on how to make words look like calligraphy just using a regular pen. And so right here, let's see about right here, I'll just write the word always, since that might be something you want to write. So right here, I'm just going to go just regular cursive. A, L, W, Y, and S. So just very, very normal, right? Always. So once again, like the, got a little tail right here. So the key to make it look like calligraphy is, once again, always pick, say everything's on the left side is gonna be thicker. Then just come in here and thicken the left side of every letter. And just by doing that, all of a sudden it makes it look fancier, right? So on the W right here, it would be this left side. And the A would be right here. And hopefully this is something that you will enjoy doing and is very relaxing when you're doodling. So this left part right here. And then for the S, be the left side right here. Like that. So just like that, all of a sudden becomes a little bit fancier. And of course, this is just a regular way of writing always, but you can always fancy up your A's and your L's. But the general idea is just to make one side thicker. And you can always come in here and fix things if you need to. Make it lower or higher. So it kind of went up a little bit. So I'm just going to bring this all down. So there, hopefully I've made it easy for you to follow along and give it a try if you don't have those fancy calligraphy pens and you want to make your words extra fancy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I've been helpful, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.